Welcome friends, you are watching Linux for You YouTube channel. My name is Sushil Sharma and today's topic is Linux file permission and ownership. Later we will talk about sticky bit, SGID bit and SEL also. So for RHCSA exam topic, you should know how to modify the permissions and ownership and by what command you can do that. So this is the useful topic for RHCSA scholars. So and we are helping scholars by making these videos, so please subscribe my channel and like the videos, right? So let's go to the RHEL 10 machine and let's do some labs. So first lab, I will create some users and group. So there is a company Linux for You Private Limited and there are some users Tom, John and Mary, and there is a group project grp, right? So first I will create the group. Sudo group add project grp, right? So the user we will create, so we will create the user by user add command and we will set the password by the passwd command. But today I will give a unique command. In one command you can create the user and set the uh, password also, and setting the home directory also. In the single command you can do the thing. So this is a unique thing. Let's see. So I'm going to create a user. Sudo user add -m Tom. -m means Tom will have a home directory, right? And after that you have to set the password of this user. So echo the name of the user and the password again. So 123 password will be set. Pipeline space sudo ch passwd. So this is the single command where you are creating the user, setting the password 123 and setting the home directory of Tom user. So that is a unique command, right? In the same command I will change and I will create two more users. So after Tom I will create John and then Mary. So John is created and after that one more user. So three user I'm going to create. Mary, right? So this way I created three users and one group, right? After that there is a project in the company and that project basically members are John and Mary. So John and Mary should be the part of project grp. See, so how you can add the membership of John and Mary to this project grp group? Tom will not be the part of this group, right? So how you can add that? Let's see. Sudo user mod and append the group. So which group we are talking about? Project grp, right? And who will be the member of this? John, right? So John and Mary will be the member of this group, but Tom will not be the member of this group. How you can verify that, right? So let's say verify groups John. Can you see John is the member of project grp group and same Mary. So you can see the Mary and John is the member of project grp secondary group, right? But is the Tom is the member? No. How you can see that? Same command. Tom is not the member of that group. So here you can verify that. After that, another thing we are going to do that we are going to create a directory, right? So sudo mkdir and we have to create a directory, add -p for parent directory to be created and the project. So this way I created a directory, shared and subdirectory project. So directory is created, and another requirement is that John should be the owner of this directory and project grp should be the owner group of this directory. So I am giving the permission, I am making the John as a owner and group project grp or the owner of this directory. So how you can do that? In a single command you can do that. Sudo, so chown command, you will do what? You are changing the permission of chown, right? So John is the user and the group is project grp. So which directory we are talking about? Just I created. So this way I have given the ownership, user ownership to John and group ownership to the project grp of this directory. So how you can verify that? Sudo ls-ld shared and project. So can you see here, shared project directory has the user John ownership and the project grp group is the owner. It is a group owner and that is a user owner. So this way by the chown command you are changing the ownership of a directory, right, and verifying that. Now the another thing is owner has full access on this directory. Owner has full access, group has full access, but other user and group should not have access. So how you can set that? So permission we will modify with the help of chmod command. So by the help of chmod command we will modify the permission. So sudo chmod user and group means 7 0 means others don't have access. So 7 means what? Read for w2 and x1. So rwx means 4 plus 2 plus 1 7. So user and group owner will have the full permission and others don't have any permission to this directory, right? And after that specify the directory name. So this way we are changing the permission. How you can verify the permission? Let's see. With the same command you can verify the permission. Now you can see here RWS means user and group have full permission and others don't have any permission. So this way we have modified the permission, right? Next is we have to create some files inside that directory, right? So just creating some files inside the directory by the help of touch command. So shared project, and the first file name is report.txt, right? Another file I'm creating notes.txt. Another file I'm creating backup.log. So this way in this directory I created 3 files by the help of touch command. Then the next is how we are going ahead. The owner of this file must be John and the group owner will be project grp, right? So right now who is the owner, who is the group owner, who is the user owner? Let's see. With the same command you can see here. Right now In this directory, user John is the owner and project grp is the group owner of this directory, right? After that, we are setting some permission with the help of numerical way, right? So first we are setting some permission like on report.txt we are setting 640 permission. Let's say set this permission. So by the help of chmod command, we are changing the permission. By which command? Chmod, right? So what is the meaning of 640? 6 means user has read or write permission, group has read permission, others don't have permission. If you want to see the permission, how you can see? Yes, you can see. Now verify ls-l. Can you see? User has 6 permission, read write. Group has only read permission and others 0. It means others don't have any permission. So this way you can set the permission like in the same way you are setting some permission like 660. So another file I am taking that is report.txt. So report.txt, so we are setting the 660 permission. Same way in another file we are setting the another permission. So this way we are modifying the permission. Another permission I am setting 750, right? So how you can see that permission? Let's see the permission. Now you can see the permission has been modified according to the permission I have set here. So 660 user and group has the read write permission, other don't have permission. And 750 means user is a full permission, 5 means execute permission, group has, and others don't have any permission, right? So this way you are modifying the permissions, right? One more thing we are doing that suppose we need to change the owner of report.txt, right? So who is the owner of the report.txt file? Let's see. So report.txt owner is who is root. Now I'm changing the owner of report.txt to Mary. So how you can change that? Ownership, you have to change ch on. Use sudo. Let's clear the screen first and then do that. So sudo ch on and which I am giving permission, Mary, right? And the file name is shared project and report dot txt. So this way I have changed. So how you can verify that the permission has been changed? Now see, Mary is the owner of which file? Report.txt. So this way you are changing the ownership of a particular file, right? So that is the example. Next is I am changing the ownership recursively. So what is the meaning of recursively? Recursing means in the shared project directory, all subdirectories of this directory and all files will have the same thing, will have the same permissions or ownership. So suppose there is a directory shared project, and I want to set the recursive permissions. So let's set the permission recursively. Sudo hyphen capital R. You will use the capital R, John colon project grp, and the directory is shared project, right? Just a moment, one word is missing, and that is chon, because we are changing the ownership. So this way we have changed the ownership recursively. It means in the future, in the shared project directory, any subdirectory, any file you create, who will be the owner? John. Who will be the group owner? Project grp. That is done by the recursively. If you want to verify, yes, you can verify. By which way you can verify? This way you can verify. LR, right? So let's see. See John and project grp. So recursively the permission is set. Ownership is set. Sorry. So ownership is set. The next thing is, let's say we are talking about the sticky bit and the sgid bit. So first we will talk about the sgid bit. Suppose there is a directory shared project that already we have, and inside this directory we want that some users are creating the files inside that, but one file is not able to modify by the another creating file. It means one user is not able to modify the another user file. Why? Because the ownership is different. So what we want that shared project directory has a sgid bit set. SGID bit does what? SGID bit will allow that all users who have the same group will have access or edit access of the files. So how you can set? Sudo g plus s, and the directory is, just a moment, one word is missing, chmod, shared project. So this way SGID bit is set. So how you can verify that SGID bit is set? Let's show you. So can you see? Here you can see S. This S shows that the SGID bit is set. So what is the meaning of that? Inside this directory, all users who have the same group member, it means who is the member of project grp group, will edit each other files, no matter who created that file, right? So that is the purpose. Collaborative directory, a shared directory meaning, right? So that is the example of SGID bit set. This work should be done with the help of this symbolic way, or this work you can done with the help of another thing, right? You can see that with the help of same command you can do that. So with the help of 2 means you are setting the SGID bit. 770 means permissions you are setting. So this work has been done by the G plus S way, symbolic way, or numeric way 2770. So either way you can set the SGID bit. So I have given you the two ideas, two command I have given you, right? After that, one more thing we have to do that. Suppose we have another directory, so we are going to create another directory. First create another directory, sudo mkdir I have created the another directory shared public, right? And what is the requirement that the everyone can create files here, but users should not delete files owned by the another user. It means user can delete its own file, their own files, but user must not delete the other user created files. So how you can achieve that? So we have to set the sticky bit permission. So how you can set the sticky bit permission? Sudo chmod 177. So one is a sticky bit and the shared public. So this way we have set the sticky bit permission. How you can verify that it is work is done or not? Can you see T is there? Here you can see sticky bit is set. So this command I have given you to set the sticky bit. But the same thing you can do with another way, symbolic way. How you can do that? This is the another way of doing the same thing. So you can do the same thing with another way, symbolic way. So both way I have shown you, right? So that is the sticky bit, right? One more thing we are going to do that we have to set the ACL, access control list. So one example I am giving you the ACL. So first I am showing you the default ACL of a directory. So how you can see the ACL, access control list of a particular directory? The command is sudo get FACL and the directory is shared project. So can you see user has the RWX permission, group has the RWX permission, user is John, group is project grp. So that is the current scenario we are showing here. So what we are going to do that in the future, if any file is created, right? So project grp has the read and write access to that file. So what I am doing that? So we are configuring the ACL on this directory so that all future files automatically provide read and write access to the project grp. So read and write access, right? So let's do that. So we are giving the project grp the access read write execute access. So how you can do that? Sudo set FACL. Hyphen D means future directory, it will modify, hyphen M is modify, and this work is being done for group. And what is the group name? Project grp, right? And which permission you want to give? RWX. To which directory you want to give? Shared project. So this way we are modifying the permissions by the help of ACL, right? So how you can verify? Now verify. The same command you can verify. Now you can see project grp has the RWX permissions on this directory. So that is the one example of how to modify the ACL, right? So this way we have done the permission ownership, changing the directory permissions, right? Changing the file permissions, right? We have set FACL, we have set the SGID bit, we have set the sticky bit, right? So these are the tasks of RHCSA EX200 exam, extensive tasks. So please practice them, and if you are liking this video, please subscribe my channel so that this channel will grow and the more scholars will basically attain the help of these videos, right? So please subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much.